How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video, stop. This video is for Vlogmas Day 22. Get out of your comfort zone. Let me tell you, one of the reasons why I chose to reinvent myself was that I got really comfortable. And sometimes when you get really comfortable, then you don't live your best life. When you are really comfortable, you're not necessarily living out your purpose. When you are just comfortable, you are not being your best self. So you have got to get out of your comfort zone, no matter what that means for you. It's going to mean something different from you than it does for everybody else. I really believe in order to live your best life after retirement, you have got to do things that don't necessarily make you feel good at first. Like you may be challenged to do some things, but do them anyway. One of the things that I had to learn to do, not only when my part-time job was being a salesperson, but also I'm the IT person. I had to learn some things to do with Shopify and putting things online and how to sell online. When I started this channel, I remember I took a class and I was so scared of editing, and I remember talking to the person who leaded the class and they were like, "Why are you so scared of editing?" And they could not understand that. Learning how to edit videos was me getting out of my comfort zone. But that was really important for me. It stretched me so that I was able to be the IT person at my part-time job. If you get out of your comfort zone and you've discovered new things, you will also find other doors and windows to be open for you. Don't let your opportunities lapse in retirement. Get out of your comfort zone. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video.